Hi everyone and welcome back to Marcus Language Academy. Today we will tackle some of the common mistakes that English speakers make when learning German. And these tips will help you avoid these pitfalls and improve your German even faster. So let's go. Let's start with a big one. Word order in subordinate clauses. In English we usually keep the word order consistent, but in German the verb often moves to the end of the clause. For example, instead of saying Ich lerne Deutsch, weil Deutsch ist interessant, the correct German sentence is Ich lerne Deutsch, weil Deutsch interessant ist. Notice how the verb ist goes to the end. This can be tricky, but with some practice it becomes second nature. Next up, false friends. These are words that look similar in German and English but have different meanings. For example, the German word aktuell doesn't mean actual but current. If you say das ist die aktuelle Situation, you're saying that's the current situation, not that's the actual situation. Another one is bekommen, which means to receive, not to become. So please be careful with these false friends, as they can lead to some funny misunderstandings. Prepositions are another area where English speakers often struggle. In German, preposition can change the meaning of a sentence entirely. For example, the English phrase to wait for translates to warten auf in German, not warten für. So you would say ich warte auf dich instead of ich warte für dich. Learning the correct preposition is key to sounding more natural in German. Finally, let's talk about pronunciation, especially those umlauts. The umlauts ä, ö, ü can be tricky, but they are crucial for being understood. For example, schön, which means beautiful, is very different from schon, which means already. Practice saying these sounds. Ö, mouth like O and saying E, ö. Ü, mouth like U and saying I, Ü. Ä, like an open E, E. It might feel strange at first, but with some practice you will get it right. And there you have it, some of the most common mistakes English speakers make when learning German. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more language tips. If you want to dive even deeper into learning German, then please feel free and check out my German course for beginners, my free course on YouTube. And also for even more stuff you can check out my website. The links, like always, you will find in the corner over here and also in the description of the video. So thank you very much for watching and I see you soon.